time to speedrun. Yep, fast, fast, fast. Oh no, I won't restart. This one always gets me. And then this lever, purple hand, purple hand, purple hand. Do that. Keep the purple hand. Do this. Do that. Grab the battery. Put it there. Press this button. Open this. Press that. We go up. Oh, we go up. Okay. And then we jump. We open. Then we take the battery. Put that there. Open this. Open that. Boom. Open this. Open that. And then put this there. Put that. We need this. Put that there. And oh yeah, we need another battery. For a good reason, I suppose. I think. Can I drop the battery? No, I can't. Well, I'm right. And then green. Boom. Boom. Nice. Flare gun. Lock in. It's been 2 minutes. Then we jump. Oh, frick. We go back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That took some time. If you guys made it this far, like and subscribe, please. Um, touch grass for my so I don't get brain rotted, I guess. Flare. It's not flare. And then wait. Okay, and then go. I place the thing there. Boom. Oh, oh, I almost missed that. Take that out. Excuse me. Coming through. What's this? Okay. Just ignore that for now. Boom. Take all of this out. Take that battery. Put my hand there. Oh no. No, 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 no. No! It's gone. It's gone. Yep, it's gone. Okay. Then bow down. And then I do this. Wee! Okay? Oof. This this will get me. No. No, no, no. Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah. Yes. Then do this. Oh, oh my. Grab this. Skip that. Yay! I finished this. 5 minutes. Wow. So map one done. Map one done. We. Wow. So yeah. Part one. What's this? Let me do this real quick. Let me use pressure hand. I'm testing this out real quick. Boom. And I'm guessing this is for. It does not. That is for this, right? This like that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Goodbye.